Make him sit.
Sit, Dex. Down. Stay. Ellie. Good girl.
Okay, just send him after it.
All right, Dex.
Oh, she maybe not giving it up. Ellie, Ellie. Hand it over.
Usually she's not quite that greedy.
She'll usually get right up.
Ellie, bring it here.
Go get it, Dex.
Bring it here, Ellie.
Dex, go get it.
Come on, Ellie. Good girl.
Now she's going to tackle him.
Hey.
Got right in my way.
Well, I was trying to get him by her without her having a nip it back.
She's going to get one on the way in.
Sit. Down. Stay. Ellie. Good girl. Come on, bring it back. Come on, Ellie. Bring it back. Drop it.
She won't drop.
Sometimes she does.
Just put your hand out and take it. She'll give it right to
Ellie.
you.
Hey.
Just put your hand in her mouth. She'll give it to you.
Yuck.